I want to tell you more about our news and more the innovative product, which is called Comfort Kit. As you know, it's so hard to hang curtains from the corners. There are flowers, tables, and everything unnecessary equipment from the corners. That's why we made a product which you can hang your curtain at the middle of your rail. You just connect like a connector between the rails, and you just take it off this button and take off your curtain easily. And at the same way you can hang your curtains easily like this with your one hand. There is no pain or very easy system, and you just need to lock it and you can easily use your curtains like this. So in this product we really care our users' health and the useful products that we made in here.